Hello, good morning. It is currently Saturday and I'm not doing anything today. Today is a day to just kind of chill. I wanted to go to the beach originally, but my check engine light came on, which I think I just need an oil change, but I didn't want to drive it too far just in case. And it's not like the beach is that far, but so instead we are at the park, and I thought I would do a what I eat in a day because I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I definitely haven't done one of these in the van, which I haven't fully shown on YouTube yet. So I'm gonna show you the van really quick, and then we're gonna eat. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tori. This is my van, Ginny, and if you like this video already, you should give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more van life or travel or food that I eat, go ahead and subscribe. And I think that's it. So this is my van, Ginny. She's not 100% done yet. There's still a few things here and there, like I need to add another drawer, but she's definitely enough. She has all the essentials. So mini tour, the bed area, side table, plants of course, bookshelf, bench seats that open. Oh my gosh, look at all my tools. Got the whole kitchen area. I have a propane stove that I just use up there for cooking, and my blackout curtain, overhead cabinets, fan because it's hot, and the park. So for breakfast, I'm just gonna have one of these Trader Joe's cashew yogurts in strawberry. This is by far the best flavor if you haven't tried them. Probably put some granola, and I started eating a banana, so we're gonna put some of that in there as well. So at home, I would usually put this in a bowl and make it look pretty because I'm all about making your food look really pretty because it just increases my enjoyment of it. But in a van, things have been different. I don't like to do dishes, so things like this that can just be contained within themselves are beautiful, and I don't need to make it look aesthetically pretty to enjoy this.
Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day.
So one of the things that I still have to add, which I'm very ready to add, is a table between these two bench seats, because for now, this is fine because I can just like hold it and eat it, but I usually will sit in this one and I'll put my food here and use this as the table. But the plan is to get one of those Lagoon swivel tables that is between these two seats. So I can sit here, whoever I'm with can sit there, and we can eat across from each other.
Time for fun and spend half of my life on full highways. Then the world closed down.
So I'm starting to get very hungry for lunch. And I'm craving avocado rolls. I haven't had them in like a month or so, so we're gonna try to make them, even though I don't have like the big seaweed sheets. My hair is falling out. I don't have the big seaweed sheets. I just have like the little, these little seaweed snacks. So what I think I'm gonna do is make like a big plate of everything and then like individually roll mini rolls. So we'll see how it goes.
Every plan catch up on the Bachelor. We'll still have begin the day we kept it simple.
Okay, so I basically have my rice, my avocado. I mixed some soy sauce and rice vinegar because this is just plain rice. It's not sushi rice. Usually you like have to soak it in rice vinegar, which I'm not doing because I don't have time and I don't want to deal with that. And then I have my little sheets. So I'm gonna make my little rolls.
Nothing's like before you and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room. Have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bedroom.
That was literally exactly what I wanted, and I'm so happy. And it's a really good hack too. If you're like too lazy to make sushi rice, or you don't know how, if you just use like normal cold white rice and then you mix the rice vinegar with your soy sauce and then dip it in that, it tastes the same. It was so good. Now I'm just gonna edit some TikToks. Very exciting Saturday. And then maybe go for a walk or read outside. So we'll see. Every time I go on TikTok, I get stuck there 4 hours, but it's okay. I'm gonna go outside now, bring my blanket and my book and some snacks, and enjoy the sunshine.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say.
So I got these, the chili lime little spicy snacks from Trader Joe's. They're a little too spicy, but I'm okay with it. So I got too cold outside. We're back in the van. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit more editing and then get some work done, and then think about dinner. As of now, I'm thinking of making like barbecue tofu with some vegan mac and cheese, but we'll see how my tastes change. I'm getting hungry for dinner, so I'm gonna make some mac and cheese, which is actually just the vegan mac and cheese from Trader Joe's. Gonna heat that up with some barbecue tofu, and I'm really excited. And I made broccoli earlier that I forgot to eat with lunch, so I'm gonna eat that now. I wish you could smell the van right now. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna eat this, which I'm really excited about because I've been craving this type of food for a while. And then I'll probably watch some Netflix in bed and then go to sleep. So this is the end of the day. I'll probably have dessert actually. I'm definitely gonna have, I always end my day with some dark chocolate covered almonds, or maybe a cookie. We'll see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to make easy meals or just had fun watching it. So if you did enjoy, be sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.